turned 111. The party field was lit with cheer. Invitations flew like autumn leaves to every hobbit far and near.
Then came the wizard, tall and gray, with staff in hand and twinkling eye.
He smiled and said, "Let's light the way and send the night up to the sky." First came the sparks, a gentle rain of silver stars that danced and fell. Then golden trees grew tall and bright, their branches blooming where they fell.
The hobbits gasped, the children screamed, as dragons roared across the dark. With wings
of flame and tails of green, they circled high, then burst apart. Gandalf's fireworks light the night, dragons, trees, and wheels so bright. Gandalf's fireworks fill the sky, colors dancing wonder high. Boom, crack, sparkle, and roar, never seen the light before. Gandalf's fireworks, what a sight, lighting up the Shire tonight. A ship of silver sailed the stars with sails of gold that caught the breeze. Then pinwheels spun in whirling bars and rockets climbed on wings of ease.
The little hobbits jumped and clapped, their faces glowing pink and gold.
Old Gaffer Gamgee tipped his cap and laughed like he was 10 years old. "Look there!" cried Merry, "a tree of flame!"
See the dragon, Pippin yelled.
Sam whispered low, "It's all the same as magic straight from tales of eld."
Frodo stood with eyes so wide, watching wonders bloom and fade.
While Gandalf laughed with arms spread wide and conjured more from night's dark shade. Then quiet fell, the sky went still, a single spark rose slow and high. It bloomed into a crown of light and hung there like a memory.
The hobbits sighed, their hearts so full of joy that only magic brings.
And Gandalf bowed, his voice so low, "The greatest show is what friendship sings." Gandalf's fireworks light the night, dragons roaring pure delight. Gandalf's fireworks fill the sky, colors dancing reaching high. Boom, crack, sparkle, and soar, Shire's never seen before. Gandalf's fireworks, what a sight, burning bright the longest night. The sparks rained down like gentle snow and settled on the laughing crowd. Each hobbit glowed with inner glow and sang the wizard's praises loud. For though the night would fade to dawn and fireworks would dim and cease, the memory of that magic drawn would live forever in their peace.
Gandalf's fireworks light the night, a wonder born from pure delight. Gandalf's fireworks, one last flare, to light the hearts of all who share.
Boom, crack, crack, sparkle,